I'm starting to assemble the side ancillaries on this 300 TDI, and I'm going to put the vacuum pump on. I'm going to clean up the gasket. There's some bits of residual gasket in there. I haven't done that yet. And also I'm going to put 2 gaskets on there like I usually do. But I just thought maybe we've got the camera here. If I move this here a bit, and move it inside there, I'm going to move this lobe here. You can see it moving until there's one lobe at the top and one lobe at the bottom, and that's going to make life a lot easier when we fit the pump on, because we're not screwing down against the pressure of the spring in here, which is kind of hard. What we're also inspecting on here is the condition of the face. You can see I've got bits of gasket in here I've got to clean off yet. We started to put this pipe on, but I've left it loose because I might just take this bolt out. It's only finger tight, just to get the bolts into here. I've put the plugs into the back of the engine, and I'm also starting to put the engine mounts on. The next thing I'll do is clean up the oil filter housing, but I'm going to take that a bit to bits, and I'm going to show you 1 or 2 things about that. And also we're going to put the cover on for the oil return from the head. So we've got quite a busy morning ahead of us, what's left of it. This time I'm starting to use some blue Hylamar on these gaskets, and I'm putting it very thin, and I'm just sort of doing it with my fingers. It does get a bit messy, but I want something to soften the gaskets up, but grease is just, I don't know, it's okay, but in this instance I want it to be really good. So I've Hylamar'd both surfaces of the gasket up. This is why we have shock coats, because you always wipe your hands. And yeah, we don't really want a lot of silicone to go into holes and things like that. Like we've got one there that's looking a little bit, oh no, that's alright, it's just a bit of the skin on the top. So I'm going to fit the pump now. These gaskets here are different to this side, I think. Oh, there's something different. I know there's a bolt that's a little bit, the placement's a little bit different, so just watch out when you put your gaskets on. With the camshaft level, look how easy it is to put the pump on. See, you're not fighting against it. So there you go. That's perfect. Look at that. You can just put those bolts in and nothing to it. Why make life difficult, eh? So, going to bolt all that up, going to torque them down. I'm going to torque all the bolts down all at the same time.